They're outpatient on the 19th of this month.
Okay. So, if I test you right now, sir, what's in your system?
Everything that I failed for prior,
Okay.
being honest, but
And when did you last use those substances, sir?
2 days ago.
Okay. So, sir, you have a significant problem.
Right.
You have a felony matter that you're on, that you're bound over to circuit court for.
Right. Which I did take a test for that, and I passed a few and failed quite a few as well. But that one I did pass, and I do want to quit. And I'd love to, you know, tree work, I love it, and I'm actually pretty good at it. And tomorrow's our second job, and I would love to be able to work and go through the rehab. I'm dedicated to doing it.
Sir, and I can understand that. I truly can. However, it appears as though inpatient treatment would be most beneficial for you. Because even though you had an appointment with ETRS, you've been screened, you know what you have to do, right?
Right.
You're still using. You're still using.
Not like I was before, though. I mean, I know you don't probably believe that, but it's been a struggle, but I am trying to quit, and I'm gonna quit. And I would just love a chance at the rehab.
When are you going to quit?
Today,
Why today?
because I want to.
Because you want to, or because you don't want to go to jail?
No, I want to quit.
Okay, you didn't want to quit 2 days ago,
I did.
but yet you didn't. So why is this different? Why is today different?
I can't give you an answer that you're gonna believe, but I mean,
Sir, please don't presume what I'll believe or not believe.
truly, I want to go through the rehab, and I enjoyed talking to the lady when I went in, and, you know, there's a lot of reasons why, but, you know, she's very helpful, and I think it would really benefit me to meet with her every week and get tested there and go through the meetings like she wants me to daily.
Okay, so when are you supposed to start that?
The 19th,
And how often are you supposed to meet with her?
once a week, for 10 weeks, and then, she wants me to do NA meetings every day that I can when I'm not working, either before or after work, what she recommended. And I agree with 100%.
And how are you going to get from Riverview to Livonia every day?
I don't go to Livonia, we meet in Lincoln Park, actually, right across from Zukin's. I don't have the address, but, they run out of space in the gymnasium, and that's where we meet. And the meetings that we go to are spread, they're all over the downriver area, or, you know, they have meetings every day.
All right, well, here's what I'm going to do, sir. The court does not find that there's reasonable grounds to depart from MCL 769.5. In addition to your criminal history, the court does not find that it would be advantageous or there would be any sort of benefit to continuing to do 2 probations. It would be burdensome, quite frankly.
Okay.
But what the court is going to do is the court is going to order on your 241671, the court's going to order 90 days jail. I'm going to suspend 60. So you'll serve 30, and that's going to be through being tethered to inpatient treatment. All right, and then upon your release, sir, then you can continue with ETRS, because you'll need to continue with outpatient once you're released.
Yeah, can you please just give me a chance to go through the rehab? Like, I just met with her. I mean, I have I've been doing it in business for 8 years, and tomorrow's our second job, and it's been a long winter, and
Sir, let me just explain a couple things to you, all right? Number one, I understand that your work is seasonal and that you have a second job. But I also understand my obligation and my duty to protect the community and to protect yourself, quite frankly, sir. So while you've been out on bond in this matter and a felony matter, you continue to use drugs.
Can I say one thing? I haven't even had a chance to do rehab, and I just signed up for it. I mean, I would just give me a chance if I make one mistake, if I test positive one time after I start, I 100% agree, but I haven't had a chance to start.
Sir, when did you meet with the individual?
The 5th.
CRS? The 5th?
Yes.
Okay. And so 2 days ago would have been the 8th.
Correct.
So even after you met with the individual that you're supposed to be starting rehab with,
Right.
you still use drugs. Right? So you're saying you want to stop, and it seems as though you need some additional support other than once a week.
I'll lose my business if I go to jail.
Sir, that is not on the court.
I understand. But I mean,
What the court is tasked with is to make sure that the community is safe, to protect the community as best as it can, as well as taking into account other factors and even protecting you, and also having to administer consequences for behaviors. Now, while you've been out on bond, sir, you tested, 3 of the times that you tested were all positive. Okay, on all of them.
right.
It isn't as though it was just one, it was all of them.
I haven't failed all my drug tests. I mean, I did fail those 3, but there have been 3 other ones that I passed, and I won't fail another one. Just please give me the chance to start the rehab like we discussed, and if I mess up, then I totally would understand it. I don't feel like I've been given a chance to do the rehab, which I signed up for, and I'm excited to do. You know, going to jail and sitting there for 30 days is I don't think it's gonna benefit me.
Sir, you're not gonna be sitting in jail for 30 days. You're going to be in inpatient treatment for those 30 days. That's what you're going to be.
I can't work doing that.
Okay, sir, you're not going to be able to work either if you're dead from an overdose. You're not going to be able to work, sir, if and you drive a vehicle and you hit and kill somebody. So you're not going to be able to work if you continue to be using drugs.
I understand that, but I start in a few days. Please just give me the chance to
No,
do
that's
that.
that's 9 more days.
Right, I won't
So
fail another.
given the number of tests that you've already tested positive for, I would presume that there's about another 3 days in there. Another 3 tests, 3 positive tests.
I won't
So
fail
multiple
another one.
days of usage.
I won't fail another one. I have a job tomorrow, blocks from here on Ford Avenue, on county property. I had to get a permit to get it, through the county, because it's on their property, not, city, it's on the boardwalk, but it's a county property, so I had to go through that, and, we're doing it tomorrow, and I will,
So you
I just want-
you don't
I
have
want to
somebody,
be-
you
I want to
don't
be-
have anybody that can run the job for you, sir?
I don't,
You work all by yourself?
no, I have 4 other people that work with me, but I am the one that has the liability insurance, all the equipment, deal with the customers. I understand that I failed the 3 tests, but my work is very beneficial for me mentally and physically, and getting back to work would be, and doing rehab together would be what I need to be happy and to get off the drugs.
Judge, would you consider suspending any sort of jail time right now? Give him an opportunity to not test positive, keep him under the court oversight, allow him to start this job, start the outpatient rehab. If he has one slip up, then I get it. I understand. But to allow him to start working tomorrow, he's gone all winter without working. He needs to get back
Yeah, somehow he has money to purchase. Here's what I'm going to do. Right now, the 30 days is still right there on the table. I'm going to have you test today. You're going to test today. As of now, your report date to jail is Friday. You are also to test Thursday. And so you're going to remain in contact with the court with Ms. Shawnee as to whether or not you're going to still be reporting on Friday or not.
I understand. On Thursday, I will not bill 110%.
I know today you're going to test
Yes.
for. I understand that, sir, but I'm also going to see what your levels are.
Right, okay,
Decreasing.
right, okay. No.
The court's going to also order on your bond violation, 20 days jail, suspended. So that's where we're at right now, sir.
I understand.
One nanogram
Yep.
detected in your system after today,
Okay,
you will absolutely be serving the entirety of your sentence. I won't even have the suspended portion. Are we clear on that?
yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, the fines and costs, the court's going to order a $400 fine, $200 cost, crime victim assessment fee of $75, justice system assessment fee of $50, for a total of $725. You can set up your payment plan through probation. Oh wait, I'm sorry, hold on. The $100 screening fee.
Get proof of your prescription.
I have some last
You already,
Yeah, I have my logs.
make sure you have it.
Yes.
The total of $825 for is the total. If you don't show up to test, suspension's off the table and you're serving your entire time.
Okay. So I'll bill today and then Thursday again?
Yes, you're going to, probation's going to chat with you as well.